Ayan guys, today is December 24 and we are going to...
There's one more Christmas time that I haven't find my wallet. One more sleep to Christmas.
That's right, one more sleep. It's Christmas time. So punta kami ng Valley Lake kasi
We don't the Valley to see Dion. Mahira be there too.
Who?
Might be Dion's friend.
No, we're going to Valley Lake because anong tawag ng invite nila ako for fundraising.
What Dion's friend is there?
Huh?
I don't know who friend is there.
Maybe there's some kids because...
Maybe Dion?
So yeah guys, Valley Lake na naman tayo. Lagi na lang kami nasa Valley Lake kasi maganda naman talaga dun for gathering.
Is Dion still driving?
Dion?
Yes.
What's wrong, Holly?
Is Dion back from Melbourne?
Yeah, they're back from Melbourne. Nag-honeymoon sila sa Melbourne. Yung kinasal na friend ko.
Oh, they're here now?
Yeah, they're back.
So Dion's gonna come.
Yeah, okay. Say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas!
Okay guys,
Bye!
mag-drive muna kayo mapuntang
Good
Valley Lake.
morning!
Good afternoon. Time check is
Good night! Bye!
12:33. So yeah, mag-drive muna kami. Dito na kami. Kuya is carrying the spring rolls. Yes, Papa, we're here now. Yes. Guys, ang daming tao. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito. Akala ko lang mga taga dito lang sa amin. Yung iba daw mga taga Queensland, tsaka kung saan sa pang part ng Australia. Ang dami guys. Nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Ha? Where? Okay. Kunti lang yung kilala ko dito. Nahihiya ako. Ang daming pagkain. Yan, ito yung yung pikoy. Oh my God, what's this? Ano
Biko na rin, biko.
Wow, ang sarap ng biko. And
Tagalog, binangkal.
binangkal. Ayan yung binangkal. Aha.
Aha.
Ano dati?
Binangkal.
Tiramisu. Wow. Tira siya. May tira na. Ayan ang Christmas tree. Kasi late ako, yan na yung natira sa lechon. So yan na yung lechon na ano na. Kayo nagluto ng lechon?
Oh.
Ayan.
Who do you like better? Me or Gavin? I like better Gavin or me? She said Gavin. John, we're still John.
Alright, guys. Paano mo sila nakuha? Mga taga-saan sila?
That should happen.
Have you eaten chon? Ayan sila. And this is my plate. Kain muna tayo, guys. Program sila na naglilibot sila for donation any amount kasi ano daw yun para sa for Marawi, I think, yes. And may paraffle din sila. So, very nice. First time ko to na mag-attend sa ganito. At saka, ang dami nila, guys. Ang dami namin dito. Akala ko nga kanina, kami-kami lang. Yung usual ba? Pero hindi. Hindi ko sila kila. Ang daming bago. Yes? Okay, wait. So, yun, guys. Kain muna kami. Ayun sila. Naglilibot. Inalok yung mga Filipino to, yung gusto lang naman. Hindi naman, yung gusto lang naman mag-donate, tsaka bumili ng ticket. So, yun. Mamaya, bibili tayo. Kain muna ako. No, you have to eat first.
Oh my God, I ate myself.
No, you're not gonna play until you finish. Don't touch my clothes because your hands dirty. Okay, you eat first.
Barbie time for Vietnamese, informal, informal. We're
enjoying. Are you having fun, guys?
Yes.
Good food? Beautiful food?
Very
Tastes
good. Tastes
That's
good.
good.
Okay, we'll have intermission.
Right, guys? Right. Okay. We have actually guests from the information level. We have a guest.
May mga may intermission.
Ano na to? Manakas na ba to? Sabayan, pre?
Dance out or here. Look at mama. Go dance. Yeah, later, after. Dance. Look at the kids dancing. Dance over there. Go. Yusa, go. Ano yung ginagawa niyo dyan?
Gusto niya to eh.
Oh, okay lang. Hi, Holly. Siya lang pala sasayo. Akala ko may mga kasama siyang bata. Holly! First time nila itong gawin, sabi nila, ito raw yung start. So, I think every year they're gonna do this fundraising para makatulong sa ating kapwa Filipino sa Pinas. So, yan. Tapos na siya sumayaw. Sige, kain ulit tayo. Si Holly nandun kay Kuya. Oh. Kain na sana ako kasi meron pa palang meron pa mag-intermission na yung mga bata. Ayan. Wait. You have to watch this first. We're gonna watch them first. They're gonna dance act. Okay? Sayaw sila ng jingle bells. Mahina lang yung yung sound system. So ulitin nila yung yung sayaw kasi mahina yung sound, saka namatay bigla. Ayan, umiinit na kanina, medyo malamig. So ngayon, ayan, lumabas na si San.
For the kids?
Yeah. Unless you want to have a go.
Debbie, look, Gavin's doing it.
Careful, Kuya.
Yeah, laugh at it. You do it.
Give a round of applause to the Filipino Sensitivity Dancers!
Masyadong organized kasi ka-start lang to ng party. So maybe next year it will be like more better than this long ngayon. So ayan na, magsisimula na. Final na, te! Ayan na. Ayan na, start na.
Right.
3, 2, 1, go! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Face your partner.
Face your partner.
Ready?
Tapusin ko lang yung food ko. Ngayon, tapos na silang sumayaw. Start na yung yung piñata. Piñata ba? Yeah, piñata. Hi, come here. Fall in line here, boy.
Ready? Hit it. No sugar.
Go, Kuya! Hold it, Kuya, wait. Listen to, come here, baby. You have to walk straight, Kuya. Walk straight, walk. Hit it hard, hit it.
Hit it hard.
Hard. Oh! Zach, your turn. Zach, your turn. You're gonna hit it hard, Zach. Come over here. Kuya, move there, Kuya. Move there. Wait, Zach, wait.
Hot na hot ka na.
Wait. Okay, hard.
Bobo.
You're cheating. Wala pa. Good boy. Good job, Zach. Nanggigal si Zach.
Gulang yun, no? Tatlong
Tatlong
beses.
beses yung pinalo.
Hit it hard.
Zachary. Siguro eto, maano na to, mapapalo na to. Ayan na. Hit it. Hard! Oh! Matigas yan. Go, Zach! Go, Zach! You go grab Lily there. Grab some, Zach! Go there.
My hands is a mess.
Ruben,
Oh, no, dear.
There's more than Zach. Well done, Kuya.
I need the chocolate corn. Chocolate corn. Come on, can I eat one for now?
You can share. Okay. Put in Mommy's bag. Hi, Papa. Put in Mommy's bag, Zach. Yeah, put in Mommy's bag that one, please.
Watermelon. It's called a watermelon, it's rock melon. Trust me, Filipino way. Let's confuse everything. It's black, no, it's white. It's green, it's yellow. North, south.
That's one melon. Right, so you want?
Gusto mo ng melon?
No, thanks, ate. I'm good. Okay, dance, Holly. Sumasayaw siya, oh. Do you wanna dance? Are you gonna dance?
Coconut horn.
Si Kuya nakakuha ng
Going
gift.
to roam around, or you can come in here. You can try. We're gonna have one there. Please.
Pangalawa ko na itong plate, guys. Yes! Oh, ang hangin. Ang lamig ng hangin. Yes! Here, ah. Papa. No? What do you want? Gusto niya makipaglaro sa mga bata doon. Nandun kasi sila, Kuya. Kuya, can you play with Holly, please? Can you play with her? Put it there, please.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Auntie Rose. How are you?
Kakain?
Pangalawa ko na to, te.
Pangalawa mo na?
Kasi nga, nadidistract ako. Kamusta? You're going?
I'm going.
Yeah, or I'll see you tomorrow night.
Yep.
Yes, be good. Being good.
Here, Holly, you want yours? Here's your water. No? Oh, is it closed? Just put it here. Yeah.
There's a big gap here.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
It's a big gap here.
They pass the gift, and then when the music stops, they're gonna unwrap, and then they're gonna get the prize. So, yun ang, ng game.
Go, go.
Beautiful.
Wow. Okay.
And the number is number 14, guys.
Pass it. Pass it.
How about you, Holly? Hey, it's Tyron.
Tara's turn.
Okay, open it, Kuya.
Brian, put yours in front of you.
Put your gift in front of you, guys, so we know what number you're carrying.
Okay, pass the parcel.
What number?
Pass it. Remember to pass it.
You're not allowed to open it yet, Kuya. So, yung gift na nakuha nila na maliliit, may lollies daw yan. And then my number as well. Then, i-raffle yung number, then they will get a big prize na kung sino mananalo. So, yun ang part ng game. So, akala nila yan na yung gift nila. Meron pang sunod. So, they have to keep their number. Ayun, pinagsabi ko na si Oli kasi more than 20 naman yung gift. Okay, pass the parcel. Pass it. Okay, Holly. Okay, baby.
Number
3. Okay, Holly. Okay. 23. Okay, Holly.
Double 3.
Then that's it.
Can we open it? Come on, lucky number 7. Can we open it?
Wait.
Pass the parcel.
Finish na yata.
Finish na. Alright.
Yeah, you wait.
Right, wait. You have your numbers.
So, tapos na. Tapos nang ipasa yung parcel and then lahat ng kids, meron na sila mga numbers and gift. Tapos ayan. Ito yung paraffle. Oh, wow. Look. So, Kuya. Ayan, yung paraffle. You can.
Okay, pick one.
Okay, what's the number?
Read the numbers
You
out.
want 9? Wait.
16.
Number 16. Who's got
Number 16. Who got number 16?
16. Who's got
16.
16? 1, 6. 5, 1, 6.
So number 16 you
Who
won.
got 16?
Yay! Mako!
One step.
Another one? Okay, another one.
Wala na. tayo makuha.
Help! Mommy! I'll choose. I'll say it.
You say it. Number
15!
Number 15.
Who's got number 15?
Who got number 15? Check your number. Who got number 15? Ang saya. Ang saya ng mga bata.
My goodness.
This is really a good idea. First time namin itong gawin dito sa Mount Gambier, I think.
Pick one.
More presents.
Say it. What number?
17.
17!
17.
Guys!
17. 1, 7. 17.
Yay, Gavin got a prize.
Gavin got the 17.
Number 14.
Number 14.
Zachary. Zach, it's you.
14. 1, 4. 1, 4.
Zachary got a prize. Yay! What you gonna say? Yay! Okay, sit down. Wow! Number 2. One more. Enjoy sila. Oh.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Number 6.
6. Who got number 6? Yay! She got a prize. 6. Marami pa kasing gifts, so yun na lang. Ipamamigay mo lang. 1! Number 1! Who got number 1? Kuya! Yay! What's the magic words? What's the magic word?
Thank you!
Number 4.
Thank you.
Uy,
Number 23.
23! Holly! Holly got a prize! Yay! got the prize. Where's the prize? Mother. Holly, this is yes. Holly, this is for you. Yay! Yung tatlo kong anak na kuha ng gift. Number 5. Wow, yay! Yeah, that's good. Are you up? Wow, look at Holly. Wow. What you got, Holly? What you got, Mama? Wow, show it, Holly. Look what Holly got. Wow. Cranberry. Kuya got cranberry juice. Yeah, come here. Open it. And Zach, what you got, Zach?
Close your eyes.
Oh, okay. I close my eyes. You have to show it to the people. Yes.
I did not that.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Only guys. Ayaw niya ko pa. Ayaw niya ipakita sa akin. What you got? What you got? Wow! Paw Patrol Bickies. Wow.
Can we open this one too?
Yes. Are you happy? Is it fun? Huh?
Can I drink it? I want to taste it.
No, we have to put it in the fridge. Yes.
How do you open it?
Wow. Holly got the best prize. Yay! Look at the chocolate.
Oh, that's so good.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I have loads of lollipops. Please!
Wow.
Let's eat them.
Tapos na yung games. Linagay ko lang yung mga gamit sa car. Tapos sabi ko kay Kuya, bantayan si Holly. Ayun, hindi talaga siya umalis. Tingnan niyo. Well done, Kuya. Thank you. Ito tayo ng ticket. $5 yung ticket. Bumili ako ng Ayan, nag-raffle na sila. So, ayan, nakabili na ako ng ticket. $6, $5 each. So, ayan, nag-start na yung raffle. Ayan, nag-raffle na.
Frank Buford.
Filipino community. Wala, hindi tayo nanalo. So, ayun pa. Siguro alis na rin kami. Kasi, hapon na. Punta pa ako ng Coles. Uwi na kami, guys. Hindi pa pala. Punta pa ako ng Coles kasi bibili ako ng yung base for fa-floba. Supposed to be ako dapat ang gagawa ng base para sa fa-floba. Kaso, naisip ko, gagawa ako ng leche flan. Instead of leche flan, gagawa na lang ako ng ano ba yun? Custard cake. Yung chiffon cake na may leche flan. Tama ba yun? So, tingnan ko kung makagawa ko ng guys. Hindi ko pa alam. So, we'll see. Pero punta mo tayo ng Coles. Did you have fun, guys? Did you have fun, boys?
Yes. Mommy.
Ang saya, ang saya. First time nila itong gawin, yes?
Guys,
Say,
Mom,
yes? So, oh, yes?
hold my lolly.
No.
Please,
No, Zaki.
please.
No. Tomorrow is Christmas, so you have to be good. Father Christmas is coming.
No,
Diba?
not today.
Tonight, midnight, so you have to sleep early. You have to put the cookies and milk.
And on the
Who's doing the cookies? We have to buy milk because we ran out of milk. Okay.
6 past the 20. I don't
Yeah.
want you to pick me home.
Okay, guys, say close the vlog, Zach.
Mom,
Yes.
it's wobbly, Mom. Pick me home.
Oh yeah. No. Okay, can you close it now?
Dad,
Look at the kids doing.
Mom,
Yes.
is Dad still there?
No.
No, a doll.
Zach, can you close?
A doll.
Yes. Maybe he's home now.
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, guys, I will close this vlog.
See you on your next bag. Bye.
Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Say see you. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry
Now what,
Christmas. The
guys?
kids
Happy
had so much
birthday.
fun. Huh?
Now what, guys? Happy